Social media stocks soaring yesterday on the Biden administration's calls for ByteDance to spin off TikTok. Julia Borston joins us now with more. Hey, Julia.
Good morning to you, Joe. Well, the market reacting to that news that the Biden administration is pushing TikTok's Chinese owners to sell their stakes in the popular app to avoid it being banned here in the U.S. TikTok saying that a divestiture would not address U.S. security concerns, that their system that's already in place for third-party monitoring will. They also shot down a report that the company could sell to Oracle and Walmart. But the uncertain future for the app, which has 100 million U.S. users and an estimated nearly $15 billion in revenue this year, sent its rivals' stocks soaring. Yesterday, Meta shares gained nearly 4%, Snap more than 7%, Pinterest about 6%, and Alphabet shares about 4%. Now, those stocks are slightly lower pre-market. Now, the path forward for TikTok is far from clear. Unlike when 2.5 years ago, the Trump administration worked on a deal involving Walmart and Oracle investing $25 billion to bring the total U.S. ownership, along with Sequoia and General Atlantic, to over half. This time, the conversation is about a full-out divestiture. And it's unclear what assets TikTok's parent ByteDance could be pushed to sell. Are we talking just about TikTok US or also other regions? Would it include the TikTok algorithm? And what about TikTok's Chinese national employees? And would an IPO address U.S. government concerns? Now, those questions are key to determining what TikTok's valuation would be. Now, this could all take months to figure out, but in the meantime, we will be watching TikTok CEO Shou Chew testify before the House Energy and Commerce Committee next week. One other thing we have to note is that some people are saying that a forced sale would amount to a ban because the Chinese government would not allow the sale of that very valuable TikTok algorithm. Guys?
All right. Julia, thank you. Saw a lot on TikTok over the weekend. The Chinese are like, where? Can we definitely point to the things that we're talking about in terms of, I don't know, poisoning our youth, stealing all the private information? They're like, there's none of that happening here. Show me one example. They say it's just paranoia. I felt for them for a second.
I think it'll be really interesting to see how the conversation goes in Congress next week, because this has been something that has drawn bipartisan support, cracking down on TikTok. But we also have to know that TikTok has implemented a lot of protections because of this criticism.
Right.
So it'll be a fascinating debate. But I think there are a lot of questions about sort of the data, where it's housed, et cetera, that the company's going to want to answer.
Right. It's housed up in that balloon, I think, on the server. And thanks, Julia.